Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a DataShark crimping tool. First, familiarize yourself with the tool's components, including the RJ45 and RJ11 dies. Notice the integrated cable stripper and cutter, essential for preparing your network cables. Understanding these features will ensure you use the tool effectively and safely for all your data cabling needs, making your crimping process smooth and efficient. Next, prepare your data cable by carefully stripping the outer jacket. Use the tool's stripper to expose approximately 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of the internal wires. Untwist and straighten these wires, arranging them according to your chosen wiring standard, such as T568B. This precise preparation is crucial for a reliable connection and proper data transmission. Now, carefully insert the prepared wires into your RJ45 or RJ11 connector, ensuring each wire reaches the end. Place the loaded connector into the corresponding crimping die on your DataShark tool. Squeeze the handles firmly and completely until the tool's ratchet mechanism releases. This action securely crimps the pins, creating a strong and lasting connection. Finally, always test your newly crimped cable with a cable tester to confirm continuity and proper wiring. Visually inspect the connector for any exposed wires or bent pins, which could indicate a faulty crimp. Remember to use high-quality connectors and cables for optimal performance. Following these steps ensures reliable data connections every time you use your DataShark crimping tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.